Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video we are going to learn how to change orientation of columns. In the previous video we have learned how to generate supports and columns in a single click of button. Click on Open Project button, select project name, click on Open button. Let us change column orientations. Press Hold Alt K and click on Edit Member button. Click OK to continue. Select column. To set alpha equal to 90 degrees, click on pi/2. Click OK to continue. Select next column. Click OK to continue. Repeat this procedure till alpha of all required columns is set to pi/2. Please note that by default, alpha of auto-generated columns is 0. And therefore, their local y-axis is in the direction of global x-axis. When we set alpha equal to pi/2, the column gets rotated by 90 degrees and therefore, its local y-axis is in the direction of global z-axis. Akses RCBD, your most reliable design assistant. Easy to use, interactive and simple. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.